Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, today I am going to explain you about subtraction of algebraic expressions. I have already explained this topic by the help of some examples given in your maths textbook. So today we are going to continue this topic by solving some questions from the exercise, that is exercise 6A. So students, let's begin without wasting time. Okay, so the question number 2, it is based on subtraction of algebraic expressions. So the first option is, let me write it for you, minus 8xy from 7xy. So as I have already told you, anything which is written after this word from, that is going to come first while performing addition or subtraction. Okay, while performing subtraction, the term which is written after from will come first. So 7xy से आपको क्या subtract करना है? minus 8xy. Now y I have placed the algebraic expression in bracket, and how many terms are there in this algebraic expressions? There are 2 algebraic expressions given to you. So my question's answer will be given by all the students in the comment section. Let's see how many comments are coming. So students, as you all can see that we have to subtract, and this was already negative algebraic expression containing one term. So minus, and then we have to subtract it. So I have placed a symbol of subtraction. Now minus is going to become what? As per the integers chapter, you have already studied the rules. So minus is plus. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So the final answer will be 15xy. I hope you must have understood. Now let me solve the second option for you. X square from minus 3x square. Okay students, x square from minus 3x square. So from के बाद जो term लिखा होता है, that is going to come first. So minus 3x square within bracket minus, place both the algebraic terms in the bracket. It will be easier for you to understand. Okay, minus 3x square minus x square. Now minus, open the brackets. Minus what? If you know the answer, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Very good. minus plus, और साइन किसकी लगती है? माइनस की. So the final answer is minus 4x square. Now let's move on to the next option students, that is option number 3. All the questions which I am solving in the video are supposed to be done in the maths classwork copy, and if you are facing any problem, any difficulty, please comment down in the comment section. I am going to resolve your query. Now third option. The third option is x minus y from 4y minus 5x. So students, how many algebraic expressions do we have in this question? We have 2 algebraic expressions. Now we have to subtract. So the term that means the algebraic expression which is written after the word from is going to come first while performing the subtraction. So 4y minus 5x minus x minus y. Now why I am placing both the algebraic expressions in the bracket? Because once we will open up the brackets, the signs will be changed. So it is very necessary to place the algebraic expressions in the bracket, because it will be easier for you to solve the questions afterwards. Now there is a mistake in this algebraic expression. It's your task to identify the mistake and comment down in the comment section what is the mistake. Okay students, please pause the video and right now comment in the comment section that what is the mistake in this algebraic expression. Very good. So the mistake is that x should come first and then y will come. I have already told you, you have to arrange all the terms of the algebraic expression in decreasing order of their powers. If powers are not there, then you will arrange all the algebraic expressions in alphabetical order. So as per the alphabetical order, x is going to come first. यानी कि -5x आपका पहले आना चाहिए, then +4y should come. -x -y. So I have rearranged the terms according to the rule. Now open up the brackets. -5x plus 4y minus x. Now this minus and minus, when this minus will be multiplied to this minus, it will be plus y. Now collecting the like terms together. Okay students, collecting the like terms together. Minus minus plus, but sign किसकी लगती है? Minus की. So the final answer will be -6x plus 5y. In the book it is given as 5y minus 6x. So both are correct. You always have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. That is why I have written like this. Okay students, so I hope you must have understood. Now let's move on to the next option. So the next option is a square plus b square minus 2ab from a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay students, let me solve this for you. A square plus b square plus 2ab, it was written after the word from, that is why it will come first. Has to be subtracted from a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now open up the bracket students. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now why the terms of the first algebraic expressions are not getting affected after opening the brackets? If you know the answer, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Very good students. Whosoever has written that before the bracket there is no sign, by default we will consider positive sign. So since there is a positive sign, there will be no change in the sign of the algebraic expressions terms. Now coming to the second algebraic expression, there is a negative sign. So whenever there is a negative sign, the signs are changed. The positive becomes negative, the negative becomes positive. तो इस algebraic expression की जो पहली term है, the sign is positive, but minus plus is going to become minus. So the positive became negative, again minus plus minus, again positive became negative. Now the negative is going to become positive because minus minus plus. Now what will be the next step students? Collecting all the like terms together. So a square minus a square plus b square minus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. So plus a square minus a square cancelled, plus b square minus b square cancelled, 2 plus 2 is 4. So the final answer will be 4ab. I hope you must have understood students the fourth option. If there is any problem, any query, please comment down in the comment section. Now let me move to the fifth option. All the questions solved in the video are supposed to be done in the maths classwork copy. So the fifth option is x square minus y square from, it has to be subtracted from 2x square minus 3y square plus 6xy. Okay students, now this algebraic expression containing three terms is written after the word from. So this is going to come first. Okay, now let's write the other one, minus 6x square minus y square. Why I have placed both the algebraic terms in the bracket? So that if there is any change in the signs, we will change the sign. Okay, so let's open the brackets. 2x square minus 3y square plus 6xy minus x square, positive became negative, negative will become positive. Now what is the next step? collecting all the like terms together. So I am collecting the like terms together. There is no literal factor as 6xy in the second algebraic expression. पहले वाले algebraic expression में xy था, there was a term having literal factor xy, but in the second algebraic expression there is no term, so we will simply write 6xy. Now 2x square minus x square, since there is no coefficient, by default 1 has to be considered as the coefficient, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so the final answer will be x square. Plus minus minus, sign of the greatest number, so 3 minus 1 will be 2, so the sign of the greatest number is negative, plus 6xy. This is the final answer. So students, whenever you are solving the question, match the answers from the back, and sometimes what is a problem at the end of the book, in some of the questions there is a slight mistake in the answers. So if you are solving your question 2-3 times and your answer is correct, that means you have solved it right. So ignore the answers given at the back, and if you still have some query, you can confirm, you can talk to me regarding that, okay? Or you can also comment down in the comment section. So only one option is left, that is your homework, that has to be done by you in your maths homework copy. So students, I hope you must have understood. आज की वीडियो का टारगेट है 15 लाइक्स का. Let's see how many likes I am going to get. Bye bye. Take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.